Hello team, this is Jacob Roy bringing you my infographic on Idaho steelhead and my design choices leading to its creation. To begin, I will go over my choice of content and its order in the infographic. I start off with a title that invokes curiosity and offers a dilemma for the audience. My thesis follows with the purpose of adding a rhetorical appeal to individuals this could possibly affect. Now moving on to my data, I added an order of increasing complexity, starting with a simple pie chart showing where steelhead are found in Idaho, then moving to more detail-oriented graphs and visuals, showing the declining steelhead numbers throughout Idaho. Finally, I tied all my data together by showing what exactly is causing this change, shown in plot number 5. Another design choice I chose to make was separating the 4 charts and graphs with my important number visualization and my pictogram. This was effective in getting rid of visual repetition throughout the infographic. After the data story is told, my conclusion brings everything together and offers a call to action for the audience. Now for my principal design choices. I started with using proximity by placing visuals below their short explanations and using spacers to separate them. I then added a visual hierarchy by increasing the size of important information and implementing a darker dominant contrast. I used a vertical sub-alignment principle for each of the numbered portions and an overall horizontal alignment for each block. This helps increase the overall flow for the audience. Another minor design choice I added was using small images of steelhead in my pictograph, which correlates to my infographic topic and adds to overall closure. For the color scheme, I used a monochromatic template including several shades of blue. I then added to this by using the 60-30-10 rule, using my blue as the 60%, dark gray as 30%, and orange as 10%, and a complementary color to the blue. Finally, my font style included the use of a serif font for longer sentences and a sans serif font for shorter sentences. My choices and principal design details offer a precise, easy-to-view infographic that gives the audience a data-focused description of my topic. Thank you for listening.